Most people talking about AI business ideas online haven't actually tried them. I did. I spent months testing 10 different models with real time and real money. And I'm going to tell you exactly what happened, what worked, what flopped, and which ones are actually worth your time. Idea 10. AI dropshipping store. I started with AI dropshipping because everyone was hyping it up. The idea was simple: use AI tools to build a Shopify store, generate product descriptions, and let automation handle the rest. The reality? It took me 2 weeks just to get the store looking half decent. AI tools like ChatGPT helped with product descriptions and ad copy, but sourcing reliable suppliers was still a manual grind. I ran $200 in Facebook ads and made 3 sales. Not terrible, but the margins were razor thin once you factor in product costs, shipping, and ad spend. The AI didn't eliminate the hard parts, it just made the writing faster. If you're already experienced in e-commerce, AI can speed up your workflow significantly. But as a beginner expecting passive income, this one will disappoint you. The competition is brutal, and the differentiation you need still requires real human strategy. Idea 9. AI-generated stock photos and art. I spent a weekend generating hundreds of images using Mid-Journey and uploading them to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Etsy. Sounds like easy money, right? Here's the problem: the market got flooded within months of AI art going mainstream. Adobe Stock actually tightened their AI submission guidelines, and many buyers are now actively filtering out AI-generated work. I made a grand total of $11 in 2 months from stock platforms. Etsy was slightly better. I sold a few digital print packs, but getting traffic without running paid ads is basically impossible unless you already have an audience. The potential is still there in very specific niches, like AI-generated textures for game developers or niche clip art for teachers. But if you're just uploading generic landscapes and portraits, you're competing with millions of similar images and making next to nothing. Idea 8. AI chatbot agency for small businesses. I tested building AI chatbots for local businesses, using tools like ManyChat and BotPress, and selling them to places like salons and clinics for booking and customer support. I contacted 30 businesses, got 7 interested, and closed 2 deals, a lawn and a dent. I charged $500 per setup plus monthly maintenance. The tech is easy, the real challenge is sales and educating business owners. If you can do outreach well, it can become solid recurring income with multiple clients. Idea 7. Selling AI prompts. I sold prompt packs on PromptBase and Etsy for creators, marketers, and coaches, 20-30 prompts per bundle with usage instructions. Made $140 in month 1, then $300 over the next 2 months with almost no extra work. It's fairly passive once uploaded, but income stays limited unless you scale with more niche packs, like real estate or Amazon sellers. It works because many people still prefer ready-made prompts, even though AI tools are getting better. Idea 6. AI YouTube automation channel. This AI YouTube model uses tools for scripts, voiceovers, like 11lab, stock footage, and editing. I tested a personal finance channel for 90 days, uploading 38 videos and gaining 1,100 subscribers. But I wasn't monetized yet since watch hours were the bottleneck due to lower retention on AI-style content. Quality makes a big difference. Better scripts, voiceovers, and thumbnails perform much better. It's not fully passive, but with a solid workflow and niche, it can scale into a real income source through ads and sponsorships. Idea 5. AI copywriting freelance service. I offered AI-assisted copywriting on Fiverr and Upwork for landing pages, emails, and product descriptions. Got my first client in 2 weeks and 4 recurring clients in 6 weeks. I charged $150, $400 per project. AI helps with drafts, but real value comes from editing, brand voice, and strategy. You're not selling AI writing, you're selling conversions. It works because most business owners still don't have the time or skill to use AI properly. Idea 4. AI-powered niche blog and SEO site. I built an AI-assisted niche blog in personal productivity, publishing 40 edited articles in the first month. Traffic grew slowly at first, then picked up around month 3. By month 5, I had 52K monthly sessions, got approved for MediaVine, and made about $1,800 in ad revenue that month, plus affiliate income. AI helps scale content, but success depends on heavy editing, real insight, and quality structure. Raw AI content won't rank anymore. Idea 3. AI Social Media Management Agency. I used AI to run social media content for businesses on Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, then charged monthly retainers. In the first month, I got 3 clients: fitness coach, real estate agent, SaaS startup, paying $500, $1,500 each. AI helped with captions, calendars, and Canva designs, but I still handled strategy, scheduling, engagement, and analytics. It reduced workload by 40%, making it easier to scale. The main challenge is retention. Clients expect results within 90 days, with clear systems and focus. It's a scalable agency model. Idea 2. AI course, or digital product business. I created a short online course teaching people how to use AI tools for their freelance businesses. Built it using Teachable, wrote the curriculum with AI assistance, recorded the lessons myself, and priced it at $97. I launched to a small email list of about 800 people, no big audience, no paid ads. Made $2,900 in the first week. What made it work was specificity. The course wasn't how to use AI, it was how freelance writers can use AI to double their output without losing their voice. The more specific your promise, the more people convert. The real leverage in digital products is that you build it once and sell it forever. AI makes the creation process dramatically faster. Outlines, worksheets, scripts, sales page copy. The hard part is building an audience, which requires consistency over time. But if you already have followers, an email list, or a platform, this is hands down one of the best ways to monetize your AI knowledge. Idea 1. AI lead generation and appointment setting service. This was the most profitable idea I tested by a significant margin, and most people aren't talking about it. The model is straightforward. Use AI tools like Clay, Apollo, and ChatGPT to build hyper-targeted lead lists, write personalized outreach emails at scale, and book sales appointments for B2B companies. The business owner gets qualified calls on their calendar without lifting a finger. You charge per appointment booked or a flat monthly retainer. I ran a small pilot for a marketing agency targeting e-commerce brands. Built a list of 2,000 leads using Clay, wrote personalized sequences using AI, and booked 14 qualified calls in the first 30 days. The agency paid me $3,500 for that month. The beauty of this model is that the results are measurable. You either booked calls or you didn't. That accountability is what lets you charge premium prices. It requires learning the tools and understanding sales processes, but the income potential is the highest of anything on this list. If you're serious about building an AI business that generates real revenue fast, this is where I'd start. So there you have it, 10 AI business ideas, actually tested, with real numbers and real results. The honest truth is that AI doesn't eliminate the work. It changes the nature of the work. The winners in every single one of these models were the people who combined AI efficiency with real strategy, genuine value, and consistent effort. There's no magic button, but if you pick the right model for your skills and stay consistent, the income potential is very real. My top 3 recommendations based on results: AI lead generation for speed and income, niche blogging for long-term passive income, and copywriting services if you want to start making money this week. If you found this video useful, subscribe. I'm testing more AI business models and sharing what actually works, not just what sounds good in theory. Drop a comment below telling me which idea you're going to try first, and I'll see you in the next one.